The seemingly innocent act of yawning might be a form of communication you never considered. While it definitely helps bring in oxygen and cool the brain, research suggests yawns might also be a way of subconsciously telling others you're tired or overheating. Studies have shown that people are more likely to yawn after seeing someone else yawn, particularly if they find that person relatable or familiar. This contagious yawning could be a way of conveying your own tiredness and subtly pressuring others to slow down or take a break. It's an interesting example of how even involuntary actions might hold hidden social cues.